If you're listening to this, you're listening to this on the Wireless Go Road 2, which is right here, and it's very compact. You just press the button, and it's really simple to record. I also have the attachment which goes on your camera. And again, you just plug in the aux cord and screw in the attachment right here. I've also gotten the Shure SM microphone, which is used in many popular podcasts. You probably see it in any podcast you look at, like the Joe Rogan podcast, he uses it. And that's why I got it. It's also the most expensive, but I actually prefer the Wireless Road Go 2. It seems to pick up the most warmth in your voice. I think the Shure microphone will bring out the most warmth, but you have to really configure it properly. And I don't have a mixer. I just have the microphone, plug it into my camera, and it doesn't seem to yield the best results as the Rode Wireless Go. The next thing I want to review is flashes. Now, I've only ever used one flash, the default flash in my camera, and the Godox, in this case, the Godox TT600. I have two of them. I really like how you can hook them up as like a slave master system in multiple cameras, so you can have multiple flashes coordinated at once, which is really awesome. And I also like how they take batteries. You don't need to charge it, so that you can just have batteries anytime. If you run out of battery, you can just play and plug it in. Next thing to talk about is cameras. I'm filming this on a GoPro, but the two cameras I've invested in is the Nikon D850, which I really like. It is a built-in flash, a camera attachment, and it's way less expensive than the next camera I'm about to show you, but it comes with a lens and it also can easily be used for teaching everything. I've also done many gigs with this. I've shot weddings in this, and it definitely still gives great photos. The other camera I have is a lot more expensive and may make your eyes wet with how much expensive it is, but I wanted to invest in a good camera and not sucked into upgrading all the time, so I just wanted to make a big splurge, and that's the Canon R5. It has a lot of megapixels. I think it's 50 megapixels, and it takes really good photos. It's not the best for video shooting, even though I do shoot 4K videos in it sometime. One thing you want to check is with cameras, if you plan to do photography or videos, you want to check how long your camera can record for in one sitting. So the maximum length on a Canon R5 is 30 minutes. And so, for instance, now I'm recording on a GoPro, and I think it can record much longer than that. So you want to make sure that your camera is built for you. That's why many people do review videos. The next thing I have here is this. This is my tripod. This is the only tripod I have because the other one broke. This is the Geekato AT24 Pro Dreamer. And I really like how easy it is, how durable it is. You know, common verbs here, but first of all, I like how easily you can make it taller. It gets pretty tall. It can get taller than me. It can get up to like 8 feet tall. And it also can get pretty compact if you want it to go on the ground. It has a tripod, but it also can just go pure vertical with two extensions at the end here. So I really like this tripod. I've had it for about 3 months, and I really like it since my last one broke. The other thing I want to talk about is the software I use, and I probably use the most common software, no big deal, is Adobe. I really like how Adobe, first of all, works cross-platform and also across all its softwares. It's compatible. So if you have Adobe Audition, Adobe Premiere, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, you can usually transfer accurate files between them. So, you can make, videos in Premiere Pro and then add animation in After Effects with total ease. I'm gonna have to make some more videos on that. So I really like Adobe. Something I do is I have an EDU email, so I get the education pack, which is all the programs, for substantially cheaper. I think it's $20 a month versus $50 a month. So it's a lot cheaper. And again, not sponsored by Adobe. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the description.